So turns out it rained after all. Just getting to the field. Jeff and Randy are hauling a couple loads into the elevator, but we do have to get this yellow straight cut header back to the shop, and Jeff wants to put the pickup header on the green machine now too. Just want to swath the rest of this field. Anyways, I better do some shuffling here. Whew. Had to run, get the header mover, clean this baby off. See if it's as easy as I always think to line this up and drop it on the mover. Oh yeah. Shuffle over a bit. So I'm just gonna cheat and drive the truck forward a few feet. Looks good. Nice. Took some doing. Backing the truck up a bit, adjusting the header, backing the combine up. Did not nail it on the first try. But we're good to go get the pickup now. Back down Power Pole Alley here. This is a little nicer to navigate without a 35-foot header on. Let's line it up here. My angle. Oh, a little off. Oh yeah, she's in there. Yeah, anyways, we're ready to mosey down the road and do this with the yellow machine. It stinks in here. There's a dead mouse in this truck for sure. F me. Whew. It's disgusting. Doug's out. We're just gonna swap headers, get this yellow straight cut one ready to move. That actually went really well. I'm back to the shop with this baby. Looking like today there's going to be a lot of putzing around trying to fix that header. Just taking Randy the Western Star so he can fill it with some wheat. Him and Jeff are just hauling to the elevator today. Well, there's a bit of wheat left in there. Enough to almost fill this truck halfway. Heading back to the yard where we can top this guy off. The truck is loaded. Looks like we got a whole gang here. Bruce, Rick, Doug, Randy, they're all over there. Let's go see what the heck's going on. Oh yeah,
down. Yeah,
it's moving.
Down. Something fell down. Yeah. Are you trying to save this piece?
No, not now.
You need a pound. Or just get a new one. They might be able. You know, it'll probably pound back in again anyway, Randy.
So we got parts coming for that yellow header, but we're not in any hurry to use that straight cut header. We have a few days at least. Currently I'm just dragging the straight cut header home, the green one. Doug just dropped me off. He's gonna hop in the swather and go swathing for a couple hours, as that's the plan with the rest of this field. So I'm gonna get this guy home. Jeff and Randy are still hauling some more wheat. So I might call it a day after I get back to the shop. We'll see. the heck this darkness is. Man, what the heck happened here? It got real gloomy. Got real gloomy, and I'm seeing a couple drops here. I was gonna go disc maybe, but not if it's gonna be a sloppy mess. Huh. Okay, so that didn't take long to turn into a bit of a downpour here. I will not be going to disc. Be a little too greasy. Doug's probably got to shut down swathing right away if it's this bad out there, because everything will just start slipping. Pretty good little dump here. That is, however, going to do it for me today. We expect better weather for the rest of the week, so we'll get back to combining eventually. Until then.